closer he gets to the...
Alright, there you go, yeah! Dawn parasites. Just keep your mouth closed.
Yep.
You got your gloves?
Yeah, I don't need gloves.
There you go. Nice go, yeah. Yeah, that'll help. There you go.
Big block of ice removed.
He's so nice. He's freaking putting all the ice chips back over himself. I went for everybody standing on the outside of the branch, chopping away.
Yeah, it's gonna. You're on the side that it's gonna fall.
Alright.
Oh yeah. Come on!
Shoot this! You got it!
Oh yeah!
Yeah, go for a ride.
One more piece.
Just had a life preserver. And I could take that 1 point.
Nice.
So here's Love Thy Dawn with some idiot. Do not create new empty bike trails. Don't destroy it, idiots. And then you got these really nice tiles here. Oh, and on the back side, look at the tiles. See them? Aren't they nice? On the back side of this, when you flip it up, dedicated to all who love, enjoy, and maintain the Dawn Trails. Love thy dawn@gmail.com. Run again! I can go into the way of the man. Out of my way! As always, trust less, ride more, ride smart, ride safe. See you on the trails. Take care.
Oh, yeah. It works!
Much fun.
See this fox jacket? There's a pocket on the inside. Wait, where is it?
Looks like somebody's having trouble.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Isn't it? Is it?
It's not a pocket.
Oh my god!
Was it cut off?
Go ahead.
Oh.
Damn it!
There you
Fox! Fail.